routine of cycling across America, nearing the halfway point. Today is I'm started out from Shreveport and heading towards Mount Pleasant, Texas, and it's a beautiful day. So last night I decided to stay at a bit nicer hotel, just to get some good sleep, some head start, some good air conditioning, in contrast to the places where I stayed the last nights, which weren't very good. So that's an important factor, especially if you have a lot of rain and need to dry gear. Then the hotels with a good air conditioning is the place to go, in my opinion. So this day has started out good. I have a rear tire that seeps out air and needs to be filled again with some odd intervals. Yesterday was a tough day. Still body feels like it's holding up. Decided to skip dinner last night and just decided to eat whatever I had in my bag, which was pretty much just peanut butter, tortilla loaves, and beef jerky, which was well, I don't know. Maybe it's not that much worse than the things they serve in the fast food joints here. Anyways, I can see the landscape here. It's constantly changing the further north I get. It's getting more open, less like a marsh, and see that I'm gaining a few meters every day while I'm cycling inland. And at the moment I'm having a big focus on reaching Oklahoma City in a few days, which will be well, kind of a decision point on where to proceed further west. Here is the land survey monument with one side being Texas, one side being Louisiana, and the third side being Arkansas. So I have a a new fashion accessory today on my arm, which I got with thanks to a Great Dane that attacked me as I was cycling out of the city of Naples. So in my infinite wisdom, I have developed this strategy that whenever a dog approaches me or chases me, I will slow down. I will talk with the dog and try to reduce its hunting or protective instinct, but that didn't help this time. This giant brown black, I don't know, which I was told was a Great Dane, just ran towards me and jumped me. Yeah, not a whole lot fun, but and it hurts like, yeah, something out of this world. He got a chunk of my arm, it feels like, but thanks to some very professional local PD and EMS responders, I'm now all patched up and have the latest recommendation on how to prevent infections, etc. About the dog, I don't know, but animal control is currently involved, so hopefully all this will make the city of Naples a bit safer for going forward. Yeah, I like the city of Naples. Or is it a city? I don't know. I think it has 2,000 inhabitants. In Norwegian scale, maybe it's a city, but American, maybe it's a town. I don't know. Leave a comment if you know if it's a city or a town. Alright, so now I'm just rolling towards today's destination, which is oh, I forgot where I'm going. Someplace. Yep. Tomorrow is a problem because of rain, so my initial plan was to head towards Paris, Texas, but now with the 1 hour delay, I'm not sure if I will be able to reach that. So let's see. Anyways, it's a fun day, but being bitten by a dog, not a whole lot fun. Wouldn't recommend it. Please don't do that. Yeah, stay away from mad dogs.